Drinks are things that bring people together. Every single customer leaves here, they are glowing with excitement, education. They've learned like a new parlor trick almost. And that's across all age ranges and different folks as well. Like, you know, we have a little old couple sitting in the back corner. We've got a newly met couple in the front corner. They're having the same experience and they're enjoying it equally as much. So that for me is probably the biggest standout.
Here's some people that are going to be stealing some bartender shifts tonight.
After I got out of the military, I wanted to do something that was a little more sort of interactive and fun. So I started working with Jim Beam, now is known as Beam Suntory. Worked with them for almost 3 years as a spirit specialist and as in sales as well. It was really during that time when I noticed that there was a huge opportunity to make an engaging sort of consumer experience that was fun. A lot of the tastings that liquor brands do, if you've ever been to one, you get this much whiskey in the cup and then you have to sit there and listen to a lecture. We've kind of turned that model on its head. You get to come here, you get to learn a little bit, but then you have music in between drinks. It's fun, it's social. So the bridge from the military to this is quite a big gap, but it's led me here and it's been fun. One, SOP, standard operating procedures. We harp on that here probably more than anything because everything we do here is very repetitive. So having an SOP, and we have a different menu every single night. You have that menu, the ingredients, what we need on every table. Those are the things that sort of, in the military, it's your weapons, it's your equipment, it's your gear, it's your reports. And from an officer standpoint and a management standpoint, there's also an assimilation there with managing people, making it very clear their task and purpose of each day, and those are things we do every day here. 4 different cocktails on every menu, and then the menus are relegated by themes. So we might have margaritas and tacos one night, we might have bourbon and barbecue, we might have Japanese spirits and sushi. It's kind of a fun way to bring together the drinks and the food. In this format, what we call social mixology, it's definitely one of the first. It's only 65 or 70 bucks to come to an event here. It's 4 full drinks plus food and the experience. I mean, New York City, in most markets, 65 bucks, you're not gonna get that anywhere.